Hi, my name is Gator Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village to talk today about making bread pudding with a bourbon sauce. Okay, we're going to move on to the ingredients now of making this bread pudding. There's different things, different kinds of breads that you can use. Me working in restaurants all my life and in New Orleans, you can use various things. What we would always use, because one of the big staple in New Orleans is French bread. You know, it's cheap. It's really easy to use as far as it, and you can have it like after a day or two, and it's still going to work for you. Usually, what we would do is we would just like whatever we didn't use for that prior service, we just stick on top of the oven until the next day to make our bread pudding with. But there's other things that you can use too. Like today, we got like a baguette, a French baguette bread, and that works really well too. But you can use all kinds of various things. Ciabatta bread. I mean, I've seen people use like Q bread, cinnamon buns, all kinds of things, you know. So it doesn't really matter what it is. But yeah, I mean, as long as you have it, there's different ways you can do it. You can cube it up, you can slice it. Some people are different about the whole thing because they want to like cut off the crust, which you're soaking it to begin with, so you don't really have to cut it off. That's, I guess, something that you might want to do. It's your own preference. But just keep that in mind. I mean, it could be day old or whatever.